Let S be the source of light. Okay, point source of light, it is emitting light waves in all the directions. I am showing the direction of light ray only. I have not drawn the waves. Let at a particular moment, suppose just at this moment, this one is the wavefront. Wavefront means all points on it are at same phase. Clear? Now according to Huygens principle, each point on this wavefront will act as source of secondary wavelets. Okay, they will act as new source of light. Okay, and they will send secondary wavelets in all the directions, each and every point. Here I have considered few points. Let this one I have given the name A. This point I have given the name B, C, D, E. Actually in between D and E you can imagine many number of points. Between C and D also you can imagine many points. Okay. Now each point will act as source of secondary wavelets. That means all these points will send waves in all the directions. In all the directions. Here I have not shown. Here also they are sending waves in all the directions. Clear? And these waves are known as secondary wavelets. Now velocity of these secondary waves is same as the speed of light in this medium. Okay, that is velocity of the secondary wavelets is same as the velocity of this original light. Clear? Now next, let in t second the light reaches from here to here. In t second light reaches here to here. Okay, in t second it reaches here. In another t second it is here. In the same t second. In same t second it reaches here. Now join all these points. I'll get a sphere. So this is the sphere of radius Vt. Similarly here also I am drawing the sphere of radius Vt. Center is at D. Clear? So here also with Vt as radius I am drawing another sphere. Clear? E as center. Similarly with B as center I have drawn the sphere. Here also A as center I have drawn this sphere, not circle, remember. Okay. Now look here, these points are at same phase. This one will also be at the same phase, though I have not drawn the wave here. Why these points are at same phase? Look here. Here just one wave has been completed. One wave has been completed. Similarly here also one wave will be completed. Okay, that means all the points are at same phase. Okay, clear? Now on this sphere draw the tangent envelope. Tangent, then join them. That is known as tangent envelope. Understood? This is the tangent here. This one is the tangent. Join all these one, then it is known as tangent envelope. This is the new wavefront. The first one is known as primary wavefront. This is primary wavefront, and this one is our new WF wavefront, new wavefront. Is it clear? And here at the back side also we can get another tangent envelope, but actually intensity of light at the back wavefront is 0. Clear? Intensity of light for the secondary wavelets at the back wavefront is 0. So we will think about this wavefront only. This is the new wavefront after time t second. This is primary, and after t second it is new wavefront.